Welcome to the Figaro Shop's video on how to fit new mirrors. You can see here the door panel's already been removed. Look for our other guide on how to do this. The first step once it's off is to remove the weather strip. You've got a screw at either end which you can see we're removing here. Once that's off, it's a case of pulling the weather strip upwards. It's quite a tight fit, but once the screws are out there's nothing else holding it other than clips, so just give it a pull upwards. Removing the weather strip with the glass at the bottom gives you access to undo the mirror. You can see here we're using a 10mm spanner that's got a cranked end on it. This is definitely the best tool to use. A good tip is not to drop the nuts inside the door. Once the nuts are off, the mirror just pulls out. You can see here the old mirror. The mirrors tend to get really pitted over the years and break down. The quality of the metal wasn't great to start with and it causes deterioration. You can see the re-chromed ones here really look good with the refurbished caps as well. The process to put them back on is just the reverse. Make sure they're nice and tight and you've got the gasket in, the rubber gasket which fits between the stalk and the paintwork. New mirrors really transform the Figaros.